All right, hey, this is a new artisanal French rustic baguette mix. So I added a bag of instant yeast. Now I will put 1.5 cup of water, room temperature, and by hand stir until it comes together. This is the no mix overnight process. See the way it is now? All right, so make sure the flour is picked up. And the yeast and the salt, everything is in. That's it.
Using a kitchen cloth, cover it up overnight in the fridge. All right, 12 hours later, it was in the fridge for 12 hours. As you can see, the dough has risen. So now, what I'll do after 12 hours, we're gonna basically fold it one time and put it right here, and give it an extra hour to rest. All right, this is 1 hour. We're gonna take the dough. Remember, it was not mixed. We take it out, and now I'm gonna divide it in half. So you're gonna most likely get 365, and this one should be about what the weight of a baguette, 392. So we'll make them both at 360. All right, now it's time to shape it. You know, the no time dough. So we're gonna do a quick fold in the middle. So we're gonna take the baguette and shape it. So just a short baguette. I have a little towel, make it wet a little bit because I'm gonna roll it into seeds. So put a line of seeds and nice, and put it into a couche or a cloth, and now we rest. All right, now the bread has been proofing. It is ready. So I'm going to with the help of a cardboard, take the bread and lay it right here on the baguette pan. There you go. All right, they're coming out. They're ready. That's it. All right, this is the beautiful no mix French baguette using the new Hemp N Seeds. So we're going to cut it. It's nice and crispy.